Tired of rebuilding your invoice templates from scratch every time? Learn how to clone any PDF template in Zoho Books with just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to duplicate a template, from opening settings to saving your new copy. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now, from the Settings menu, select PDF Templates. Find the template you want to duplicate and click its gear icon. Then, choose Clone from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Template Properties to open the details. Type a new name for your cloned template. Finally, click Save to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.